this week's edition of A Ray of Hope, heart disease is the leading cause of death in Jamaica and continues to derail the dreams of many. But amid the heartbreak, hope for some of the most vulnerable to lead a normal life. We have more in this report from Giovanni Dennis.
In primary school, Semaj Blair loved playing cricket. He was a talented all-rounder. This road in West Prospect, a rural St. Catherine community, is where Semaj and his friends played cricket every day after school. No surprise when he shared what he wanted to become.
A cricketer.
You wanted to be a cricketer?
Cricketer, yeah.
Who was your favorite cricketer?
Chris Gale.
Chris Gale?
Yeah.
Why?
He do a lot for the sports and he have a lot of talent.
But his cricket dream became a nightmare at 15 when he started waking up in the middle of the night with shortness of breath.
I never know what to do, so I just ignore it and go back to sleep. But it constantly happened.
He had rheumatic fever, which led to rheumatic heart disease. His whole life changed.
From there, I find out that I cannot play, I cannot do any activity.
He has not been able to maintain a steady job as an adult now at 31. Even walking briskly can cause problems.
Even something as simple as taking a shower. These patients are very limited in their ability to do those kind of things.
Dr. Sunil Stevenson is a cardiothoracic surgeon. 2 in every 5 NCD deaths in Jamaica is linked to a cardiovascular or heart-related disease. It's the leading cause of death in Jamaica. Experts say it's getting worse. And surgery is expensive.
At least $1 million per patient.
It's why the section of cardiothoracic surgery at the University Hospital of the West Indies is partnering with a team from the Montefiore Hospital in New York and the I Have a Heart Foundation to provide surgery to indigent or needy heart patients.
Our aim is actually to get these patients done for free with zero out-of-pocket expense to them, because a lot of these patients, believe it or not, cannot even afford bus fares to come to the hospital.
And if they don't get these surgeries, then their whole quality of life will be severely affected.
Annually, the mission operates on between 10 to 12 patients. Tajira Smith is one of over 30 beneficiaries so far.
I don't get as tired easily anymore, so I can do more physical activities, and I'm studying to be a nurse, so with that I'll have to be standing and moving a lot, so I'm actually happy about that.
The mission plans to do surgery on another 10 to 12 patients from March 3 to 7 this year. Semaj has been selected and is excited to finally be able to once again live somewhat of a normal life.
Without this mission, I would not know where I would end up.
But while some corporate entities have come on board, more help is needed to fund the mission. To help, you can call 658-201-7460, or you can donate directly to the Jamaica National Bank account Abigail Smythe I Have a Heart Foundation, account number 209-413-5044. With A Ray of Hope, I am Giovanni Dennis.